If you're looking to up your game and improve your on-camera performance, you're in the right place. Today we're going to be taking a look at Elgato Prompter, a reimagination of the standard teleprompter that lends itself useful for recorded videos, online meetings, and even streaming. You're going to want to stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to my new favorite piece of creator tech, Elgato Prompter. Also, before we go ahead and get started, I want to mention that Elgato sent this out to us for review. We are not getting paid for this video. They will not see this video before it releases, and these opinions are our own. Hashtag transparency. How about that? Now, you may or may not be familiar with a teleprompter, so let me cover that real quick. A teleprompter is just a neat way of being able to read a script while maintaining eye contact with the camera. This is typically done by using a piece of glass, a little reflection, and typically an iPad or some sort of tablet. So what makes Elgato's $279.99 prompter different? And how is this useful for other things like streaming and online meetings? Well, I'm glad you asked. So let's go ahead and talk specs, and I think you'll start to understand why I am so excited about this. Prompter by Elgato is unique in that no iPad or tablet is even required. It features a 9-inch display with a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels, and it's powered by USB-C and is also compatible with Windows and Mac. Elgato Prompter also has the flexibility of working with pretty much any webcam as well as larger DSLR cameras, and features an assortment of hoods to keep light from bleeding into the reflection of, either the camera or the teleprompter screen itself. It features a dedicated teleprompting workspace inside of the Elgato Camera Hub app, ensuring creators that they'll never miss a beat in their scripts. I'm using it right now. That's how I'm able to talk so well to the camera. Usually this would actually take quite a few takes for me to be able to do this. Another awesome feature of this device is that it supports display link over USB. That means your teleprompter screen can also be used as a secondary monitor for your computer. More on that in just a second. For the streamers out there, it also integrates seamlessly with Twitch chat. Plus, it's versatile enough to work with other chat platforms when using it as a secondary display. Speaking of using it as a secondary display, simply drag your meeting program of choice over to Elgato Prompter, and now you can easily maintain eye contact inside of your meetings. It's going to be really, really cool if you end up using it for Zoom, Teams, or even in Discord calls. I've used it already, and it's just insane the amount of quality it brings. So now let's go ahead and step it up a notch, and this is a big one. The opacity option is a game changer, allowing you to see both your desktop view and your teleprompter text simultaneously. I'm using it right now. I can see myself and also talk. This feature single-handedly is going to speed up my workflow when it comes to creating videos. Throwing my recording program OBS onto the prompter allows me to view my shots and make sure I stay in focus and any products that I might decide to use. And I'm also able to adjust the opacity, and I can also read my script at the exact same time. Now let's talk about some of the drawbacks or shortcomings of Elgato's prompter. The build quality of the mounting options is primarily plastic. So if you're using a DSLR camera without a threaded end of your lens, which it can be attached to, which is a really cool feature of it, but if you don't have that, there's a chance of sagging due to the plastic design. I'd love to see a more robust metal backbone or metal mounting options in the future if they come out with a Mark II similar to what they've done with the Stream Deck. The cold shoe mounts on the top are also plastic, which can be a concern when attaching larger accessories. The placements of these mounts in relation to some of the mounting options can also make your setup a little front heavy. In the Camera Hub app, the teleprompter feature could use some quality of life improvements as well. It lacks options like chapter deletion, and importing scripts from other word processors can be kind of cumbersome. And it's missing basic formatting options like numbered list and bullet points, which may be, kind of useful to some content creators. So there you have it, my comprehensive review of Elgato Prompter. Despite a very few minor drawbacks, Elgato's Prompter is truly a game changer for content creators, offering unmatched convenience and flexibility. I definitely love it, and I'm going to be using it, and as always, I want to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the Elgato Prompter? Let me know in the comments down below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thank you for joining me on How To Tech today, And until next time, stay creative and keep